All right, your next unit is 1.3 internal auditing ethics. What we have read so far, we will dwell upon in detail because that was the basics of your ethical code, and now we will go into further detail after the subunit. From 1.4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, we will have much more detail on integrity, objectivity, confidentiality and competence, and that's what you need to memorize. So just this subunit 1.3 internal audit ethics introduction and principles. So it's just giving you an overview again on the code of ethics. So code is necessary, and of course for every professional accountancy body, as I told you, that code is a must, ethical code that the professional accountants must follow. These principles of internal auditing, they are related to the profession of internal auditing. These all ethics that you're going to study: integrity, objectivity, confidentiality and competence. These principles are relevant to the profession of internal auditing. If you read the ethical code of CMA, it is different because CMA has confidentiality, competence, integrity and confidentiality and credibility, but we don't have any credibility here. So each professional institute, accountancy body will have its own code of ethics. So remember, don't try to mix up ACCA code with CMA or CMA with CIA. Each code is different, each term is different and should be understood separately. So these are the principles relevant to the profession of internal auditing. The code of ethics for CMA is different. Maybe the idea is same, but the wording and the text is different. So you need to keep that in mind. So this code that we're going to read, this is not just for the CIAs, they are for everybody, everybody who's involved in internal auditing. So code is applicable to all involved in internal auditing, not just CIAs. So that is kept to be mind, that in this code of ethics is applicable on all involved in the practice of internal auditing, not just CIAs or the members of Institute of Internal Auditors. And if any internal auditor violates these provisions of the codes, then it has some serious repercussions. Violations of these rules should be reported to the Board of Directors of the Institute of Internal Auditors. It will result in reprimands, admonitions, or if the case is severe, it might result in dismissal or removal from the members, and the designation CIA might be revoked. So that is very crucial that you understand these carefully. So these core principles that we're going to study in much deeper detail, which you need to memorize in the coming lectures. Again, these 4 principles and elements of code of ethics are integrity, objectivity, confidentiality and competence. So we will develop one in detail in the coming subunits, inshallah.